everyone, my name is Munakame Najwa. So in today's video, I would like to present my research topic about student speaking anxiety in the English classroom. Speaking is one of the most important skills in learning English because it helps students communicate their ideas, opinions, and feelings. However, many students feel nervous, shy, or afraid when they have to speak English in front of their classmates or teachers. This condition is known as speaking anxiety. Speaking anxiety is a common problem in English classroom, especially for students who learn English as a foreign language. Because of anxiety, students may become less confident, avoid participating in class, or have difficulty expressing their ideas clearly. Therefore, I am interested in researching this topic to better understand student speaking anxiety and its effect on their speaking performance. Based on this topic, I raised several research questions. The first question is, what is the level of student speaking anxiety in the English classroom? These questions aim to identify whether students experience low, moderate, or high anxiety when speaking English. The second question is, how does speaking anxiety affect students' English speaking performance? These questions focus on the relationship between anxiety and student speaking ability, such as pronunciation, fluency, vocabulary, and confidence. The next question is, what factors cause speaking anxiety among 10th grade students? For example, students may feel anxious because they are afraid of making mistakes, being loud at, lacking vocabulary, or having low self-confidence. And the last question is, what strategies do students use to reduce their speaking anxiety? These questions explore how students try to overcome their anxiety, such as practicing more often, preparing before speaking, or encouraging themselves to stay calm. To answer these research questions, I will use several methods of data collections. The first method is questionnaire. A speaking anxiety questionnaire will be distributed to students to identify their level of anxiety when speaking English in class. The questionnaire will help collect information about students' feelings, fears, and experience during speaking activities. The second method is a speaking test. Students will participate in speaking tests to measure their English speaking performance. The test will assess such as pronunciation, fluency, vocabulary, grammar, and confidence while speaking. The third method is an interview. Short interviews may be conducted with several students to gain deeper information about the causes of their anxiety and how they deal with it. Through interviews, students can explain their experience more personally and clearly. The fourth method is classroom observations. The researchers may observe classroom activities to see students' behavior and participation during speaking activities. Observations can help identify how anxiety appears in a real classroom situation. Now let me explain the participant of this research. The participant will be 10th grade students in senior high school. The research will involve one selected class consisting of approximately 25 to 35 students. The participants are English as a foreign language or AFL learners, meaning that English is not their first language. In conclusion, speaking anxiety is an important issue in English learning because it can affect students' confidence and speaking performance. Through the research, I hope to better understand student anxiety and help teachers create a more supportive and comfortable learning environment for speaking English. So that's all for me. Thank you for watching. See you!